As an accounting software expert, I often get questions not just about the features and pricing of various solutions, but also about the companies behind them. It's a natural and important line of inquiry, as the size and stability of a software provider can give valuable insights into their ability to innovate, provide support, and remain a long-term partner for your business. When it comes to FreshBooks, a popular cloud-based accounting solution, a common question is, how many employees does FreshBooks have? Pinpointing an exact, real-time number for a dynamic company like FreshBooks can be a bit like trying to hit a moving target. Employee counts at tech companies can fluctuate due to hiring sprees, strategic adjustments, and even economic shifts. However, based on the most recently available public data as of June 2025, FreshBooks has approximately 443 employees spread across various continents, including North America, Europe, and Asia. It's important to note that this number represents a snapshot in time and can change. Companies often experience periods of growth and sometimes, unfortunately, periods of workforce reduction as they adapt to market conditions and business strategies. For instance, some reports from late 2024 indicated FreshBooks had undergone some staff reductions as part of broader efforts to achieve profitability, with prior employee counts sometimes cited around the 500 to 800 mark before these adjustments. The current figure of approximately 443 suggests that the company has streamlined its operations to become more efficient and focused. Why does employee count matter for accounting software users? You might be wondering why an accounting software expert would even delve into a company's headcount. Here's why it's relevant to you, the user. Support and customer service. A sufficient number of employees, especially in support roles, directly impacts the quality and responsiveness of customer service. When you encounter a problem or have a question, you want to know that there's a capable team ready to assist you promptly. A company with a healthy employee count is more likely to offer robust support channels, whether it's through phone, email, or chat. FreshBooks, for its part, emphasizes its customer support, mentioning over 100 support staff working across North America and Europe on its website, which aligns well with the total employee count. Product development and innovation. The size of the development team affects the pace of innovation. A larger and well-resourced engineering team can push out new features, improve existing ones, and address bugs more quickly. This means your accounting software is more likely to stay updated with the latest industry standards, security protocols, and user demands. FreshBooks has consistently rolled out updates and new functionalities over the years, which speaks to a dedicated product and technology team. Company stability and longevity. While not a direct correlation, a stable employee base often indicates a stable company. When a company maintains a consistent workforce, it suggests healthy financials, a clear business strategy, and a positive work environment. For critical software like accounting, you want to partner with a company that you know will be around for the long haul to safeguard your financial data and continue supporting your business. Specialized expertise. As an accounting software, FreshBooks deals with complex financial processes. A larger team allows for specialization. This means they can have dedicated experts in various areas: tax compliance, integrations with other business tools, payment processing, and security. This specialization ensures that the software is well-rounded and addresses the diverse needs of its users. FreshBooks focus: small businesses and freelancers. FreshBooks has carved out a strong niche primarily serving small businesses, freelancers, and self-employed professionals. Its software is renowned for its intuitive interface, focusing on making invoicing, expense tracking, and basic financial reporting straightforward for those who may not have a background in accounting. The company's employee count, while not massive like some enterprise-level software giants, is substantial enough to support its global user base effectively. It reflects a lean yet capable organization that is focused on its target market. They've built a reputation on simplicity and excellent customer service, which requires a dedicated team to maintain.